everybody, it's Laurie Von Gunton from the Ellet Public Library, and I'm going to talk to you today about making our October Take It Make It craft, which is an old-fashioned spinner toy. So you need to come into the Ellet Library and get your kit. It has everything in there that you need to make this toy, except you're going to need glue and markers and scissors from your house, okay? So open up the kit and you'll find 2 cardboard circles in there and 2 white circles in there. The first thing you want to do is color your circles. If you make them really bright colors and lots of colors all over it, it'll look cooler when they spin around. So add some colors to your spinners. I saw someone that did stars on theirs and it was really cool. But I'm not going to do stars right now. I'm just going to do some zigzag lines on mine. You can do dots. You can do more circles, whatever kind of design you like. But the more colors on there, the better, okay? Then you take your glue stick and glue on your white circles to your cardboard circles. Okay. There we go. Then, this is where you might need a grown-up's help because we're going to use scissors to poke holes. Or, if you want, you could try using a large paper clip or a large sewing needle. I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to be really careful, or I'm going to call a grown-up to help me. So there's already holes in your cardboard circle. So you poke your scissors in the hole that's already there and poke through to the white paper and make a really good hole in there. So poke your holes with your scissors or with your really big, there we go, sewing needle or paper clip. Okay. Now you should have some nice big holes in your white paper also. Then you take the string that's in your kit and you poke the string through the hole. You might need your scissors again for this to help that string go through there. Okay, so string through there. Now you need your other circle, and you're going to poke that string through your hole again. Like this. Poke, poke, poke. Here we go, pull. Okay, now we're going to poke that end through the white part of our circle. Poke the hole again with our scissors. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. You might need a grown-up's help for this part. Yeah, see what I mean? Kind of tricky. There we go. And poke the hole again through this one. You could try that large paper clip. It probably will work too. Yep. There we go. So now we have both our circles through there and the white parts are facing out. Okay. Then we're going to tie our string. So put both ends of your string together. I like to tie a knot by wrapping it around my finger like this and tying a knot. You might need a grown-up's help for that too. Okay. Hold on. Then we pull. There we go. Now, you're going to put those circles in the middle of your string, like this. Okay. There we go. Okay. Then, you're going to use hold both ends, and then you use your one hand to twirl it and twirl it and twirl it. So it's really twisted up like this. Then you pull sometimes it hums. If you go really, really fast with their twirling, you can get it to make a humming noise, okay? So that's our cool spinner project that you can come into the Ellet Library and pick up, and you can see the instructions for this on Ellet Library's Facebook page. Okay, bye everybody. Hope to see you soon.